Hello, this is Oleg from OpenBOM, and today I'm going to show you how to use OpenBOM Part Catalogs together with Solidworks. Let me start first from explaining what is Part Catalog. Let's take a look at OpenBOM online documentation, which shows in a very simple picture the idea of Part Catalog. In a nutshell, this is the collection of information about parts that can be used in different bill of materials. And in our case, we are going to create part catalog for this assembly. I'm navigating to OpenBOM plugin and I create part catalog. What happens now is that OpenBOM is collecting information about all parts in this Solidworks assembly and create a separate instance in OpenBOM which is called part catalog. This part catalog will include information about parts in this assembly that can be used in this assembly but can be used in any other assemblies that you are going to build in the future. This part catalog also can include additional information that is not necessarily exist in Solidworks. So what you can see in this part catalog now is some information that we collected, some information about supplier, part number, and I'm going to add additional information which is cost of the part. OpenBOM is completely flexible. I can add any attribute to the part catalog or to the BOM. And now let me add cost of this wheel, and let me add cost for this wheel tire. And we will use this information later. Now let me go back to Solidworks. And now I'm going to create a bill of materials. I will use a separate template. So the only minimum needed information about the assembly will be collected, such as quantity. And all other information in this BOM will be taken later from part catalog that we made. And now I create bill of materials. So for the moment, OpenBOM is collecting information from the assembly. Component assembly relations part collect information about quantities and put this information in the bill of materials. So what you will see at the end, after bill of materials will be created, that OpenBOM will combine information from part catalog and information from bill of materials. Take a look how it will happen. This is the part list bill of materials that was created from the assembly. And you can see that the catalog that we created before is used with this bill of materials. So what is interesting is that we can see information coming from catalog, and we can see information coming from bill of materials. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another assembly, and I will see how the information from this assembly will be used, information from the part catalog will be used in this assembly. So let me go back to Solidworks, and I created a very simple assembly called wheel kit. Technically I put two wheels in this assembly, and now I will create bill of materials for this wheel kit. What is happening now is that we retrieve information about bill of materials. And as we open this bill of materials, we can select what part catalog will be used together with this bill of materials. As you can see, the information that exists in the catalog automatically retrieved and combined together with bill of materials. So the same information about cost of wheel and tire that we use in first assembly will be used in the second assembly. The advantage of this method is that you will not have redundant information about cost, supplier, and manufacturers. And I can use that information for different calculations. As an example, I will add a total cost property to this kit assembly. Let's calculate the total price. And let's use OpenBOM formula calculation for the total price. And it is very simple formula, which is quantity times cost. Now remember, cost is taken from catalog. And here you go. You have this calculated cost, and what is remaining is to set roll-up, and you're going to see roll-up cost for this assembly. And this is 77.6. Now think about that you can change this assembly, and you decide that you need to have 3 wheels and 3 tires in this kit. And as you can see, everything is recalculated. So that was working with part catalogs, assemblies in Solidworks and OpenBOM. Thank you for watching this video, and talk to you soon.